And now the last of the minis I picked up, the Cobra F.A.N.G. This comes with yet another Cobra Commander figure. So I'm going to have plenty of command within my Forever Clever army. It may be a case of too many chiefs, not enough Indians, but you know, let's see. And now the moment of truth. Put together a Cobra Commander, see if he can actually interact with the vehicle. There's a potential. Oh, so close. I guess if you move the handlebars, you might actually be able to do so. So with slight modification and relocation of the handlebars from the instructions, they have you put them on the inside, but his feet don't fit then if you do that. So if you move the controls to the outside, Cobra Commander can actually, for once, they can interact with the vehicle. It's amazing. So Cobra F.A.N.G, there it is. Still same sort of problems that plagued a lot of the others, is that they use like one nib to try to hold things on, or two, and it just doesn't. I mean, if you're wanting to keep this and keep it from falling apart, you will have to employ the use of Craggle. But anyway, so there it is, Cobra F.A.N.G with Cobra Commander.